In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a form to your website, manage its fields, and edit its settings, all using your site's editor. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to gather information from their visitors efficiently. So let's dive right in and get started. First, let's begin by adding a form to your site. The process starts by opening your website editor. This is your main hub for making any changes or enhancements to your site. Once you're in, look for the Add Elements option. This is your gateway to introducing new features onto your pages. Click on this option, and you'll see a list of elements you can add. To find forms specifically, direct your attention to the Contact and Forms section. Within this area, you'll find various pre-designed forms at your disposal. But for this tutorial, let's focus on creating a form from scratch. Click on Create New Form, and then simply drag the form element to the desired position on your page. If you're short on time, or want to use something that's already been beautifully designed, you can always make a quick choice from the Pre-Made Forms section. Now that you've got your form on the page, it's time to customize it to fit your needs by managing the form fields. This is where you can specify what information you want to collect from your visitors. To edit these fields, click on the form element right there in the editor. You'll see an option to Edit Form. Click this to open the Form Builder. This tool grants you full control over what fields appear and allows you to manage them as you see fit. Here you have several options. Edit any existing field if you need to change a label or adjust its settings. Add new fields if you require more information. Remove fields that are unnecessary, or duplicate fields for easily repeating a similar question. This flexibility ensures your form gathers precisely the information you need. With your fields organized, the final step is to attend to your form's settings and ensure everything is saved correctly. Each form can have specific settings that affect how submissions are handled, where notification emails are sent, and even how the form integrates with other tools or services you use. So take a moment to click through these settings to make any necessary adjustments tailored to your workflow or preferences. Once you're satisfied with the setup, be sure to save your changes. This ensures that all the adjustments you made are captured, and your form is ready for your website visitors to engage with. And there you have it. You've successfully added a form to your site, customized it to your needs, and set it up to seamlessly integrate with your processes. This capability opens up new avenues for interaction with your audience, collecting feedback or gathering necessary information for your business. Thank you for following along, and happy site editing.